Timeline of the real story of Jokic and the Denver Nuggets rebuild. The Denver Nuggets, a resilient and determined professional basketball team based in Denver, Colorado, have consistently showcased their skill by securing coveted playoff spots in the fiercely competitive NBA. Through a combination of skilled players, astute coaching, and unwavering team spirit, the Nuggets have etched their name among the elite teams in the league. In this video, we'll tell the real story of how the Denver Nuggets came to power in the NBA. But first, a brief history of the Denver Nuggets. Building a solid foundation. The path to playoff success for the Nuggets began with a commitment to building a solid foundation. This involved astute roster management, strategic player acquisitions, and nurturing young talent. Sometime in June of 2013, a man named Tim Connolly became the executive vice president of operations and general manager of the Denver Nuggets. Connolly consistently made shrewd moves, whether through the draft or trades, to assemble a roster with a winning mindset. Embracing the Nikola Jokic era. At the center of the Nuggets' success story is Nikola Jokic, a versatile and skilled big man who's emerged as one of the league's premier players. Jokic joined the Denver Nuggets in June of 2014 as the 41st overall pick, roughly a year after Tim Connolly took over. In 2015, a season after being drafted, he officially put on the Nuggets jersey and was on the team. Jokic's unique skill set as a playmaking center has transformed the Nuggets offense, providing a focal point around which the team can thrive. His exceptional court vision, passing ability, and scoring prowess make him a nightmare matchup for opponents. Jokic's leadership and unselfish play have been instrumental in elevating the Nuggets to playoff contention. The Jamal Murray factor. The emergence of Jamal Murray as a scoring threat and a clutch performer has significantly contributed to the Nuggets' success. On August 16th of 2016, Jamal Murray officially signed his contract with the Nuggets, and a dynasty in the making was born. Murray's ability to take over games with his scoring outbursts and his knack for hitting big shots in critical moments has been a game changer for Denver. In April of 2021, he suffered a very painful ACL tear in his left knee that kept him out until about 2022. Despite this hardship, Murray has come back to the game and dominated time and time again, proving he is one of the best basketball players of his time. His partnership with Jokic has formed a formidable duo that opposing teams find it difficult to contain. Coach Michael Malone's influence. Behind every successful team is a skilled and visionary coach, and the Nuggets have found just that in Michael Malone. Named head coach of the Nuggets on June 15, 2015, Malone has been a force from the jump. His emphasis on a team-first mentality, defensive intensity, and player development has been pivotal in the Nuggets' journey to the playoffs. His ability to establish a winning culture and get the best out of his players has earned him the respect of both the team and the league as a whole. Resilience in the face of adversity. The Nuggets have showcased unwavering resilience and a never-say-die attitude, particularly when faced with adversity. Whether battling injuries or overcoming deficits in playoff series, the team has consistently demonstrated mental fortitude. Though they missed the playoffs through 2014 to 2018 and experienced devastating losses between 2019 to 2022, the Nuggets have not stopped. Their work ethic is unmatched, and it's obvious from watching them that they're hungry for a ring. This resilience has allowed the Nuggets to weather storms and emerge stronger, rallying together to secure crucial wins and playoff spots. A passionate fan base. The Denver Nuggets' success would not be complete without acknowledging the incredible support of their passionate fan base. The Nuggets enjoy an electric atmosphere at the Ball Arena, with fans providing a true home court advantage. The energy and unwavering support from the fans undoubtedly provide an extra boost to the team's performance. The Denver Nuggets' journey to the playoffs is a testament to the organization's commitment to building a competitive team, the brilliance of Nikola Jokic and Jamal Murray, the coaching prowess of Michael Malone, and the resilience of the entire roster. With a strong foundation, exceptional talent, and a passionate fan base, the Nuggets are poised to continue their playoff streak and make an impact in the highly competitive landscape of the NBA. As they continue to chase their ultimate goal of an NBA championship, the Nuggets remain a team to be reckoned with, capable of defying expectations and leaving an indelible mark on the league. They may even be the best team in the league and a future dynasty. So what do you think? Are the Denver Nuggets capable of taking it all? Are they the next NBA dynasty that we'll talk about for years to come? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe and like for more.